All right, boys and girls, here we go with a new video for Mr. Harrington and Mr. Archie's class, combining like terms with solving. Oh my goodness. So we're doing last time and this time all combined. Oh my goodness. So, whoop. First thing we do, we see 6a and 5a right here. Those are like terms. I never combine across the equal sign. These are helping with the first step. That's combing, my bad. That's not what you write. Combining like terms. That's the first step right there. Okay. 5a plus 6a is 11a. The negative 11 is just chilling over there. Step 2. Solve. There we go. So the opposite of multiplying by a is dividing by a. So dividing by 11. So there we go. 11 divided by 11 is 1. So a equals 1 times a is a. Negative 11 over 11. So 11 over 11 is just 1. But a negative divided by a positive is negative 1. There we go. Step 3. Check it. Write these steps right there. You got to follow the 3 steps. So step 3, I'm going to check it. So here we go. 6 times negative 1. The negative 1 is a, right? Plus 5 times negative 1 equals negative 11. Is that true? Let's see. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. If I owe someone $6 and owe someone $5, I owe someone 11. Negative 11. There we go. So negative 11 equals negative 11. I got it. A equals negative 1. Boom. Got it. Next one. Yeah. Number 2. Write this down. Negative 6n plus negative 2n equals 16. I already added the opposite. You always add the opposite here. Woo! So step 1, what do we got to do? Combine like terms. Combining like terms. Negative 6n and negative 2n equals what? Yeah, negative 8n. 16 just chilling right there. So opposite of multiplying by negative 8 is dividing by negative 8. Yeah. So negative 8 divided by negative 8 is 1. 1 times n is just n. Positive divided by a negative is negative 2. There we go. Because 8 times 2 is 16. Yeah. Multiplication, division are opposites. Cool. So I combined like terms. I solved. What's the last thing? Yeah, check it. Check it. There we go. Okay. Negative 6 times negative 2 plus negative 2 times negative 2. I can put both in parentheses. That's okay. Equals positive 16. All right, let's see if that's true. Negative times negative is positive, plus negative times negative is also positive. There we go. 12 plus 4, 16 equals 16. I like it. There we go. So negative 2 is the answer for number 2. Got it. N equals negative 2. All right, here we go. Number 3, last one. You try this one on your own. Ready, set, whoop, go. All right, let's see what you did. So positive 6 and positive 3. I add the like terms. This is not a like term. So 4x plus 9 equals 17. So the opposite of adding 9 is, subtracting 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0. Write this down if you didn't get it. 17 minus 9, and if you did get it, check along as you go. Equals 8. Anything plus 0 is itself. 100 plus 0 is 100. 10 plus 0 is 10. 4x plus 0 is 4x. 4 times what is 8? That would be, 2. How do I know I'm right? Yeah, check it. If you got it right, you got to check it. 4 times 2 plus 6 plus 3 has to equal 17. Okay. Let's see if we have it. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 6 plus 3 equals 17. 8 plus 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, count on my fingers. 14 plus 3 equals 17. 14 plus 3 is, 17 equals 17. Got it. X equals 2. If you got that, excellent job. Nice work. So, as you work on the next problems on your worksheet, you're combining like terms, you're solving, and you're checking it. If you get an answer that's not equal, it's all jacked up, you got to go back and fix it. You must have made a mistake right here. Okay? So great job. Let's keep crushing. Good work today.